Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. As with any repair, you should unplug the power cord before beginning. To replace a door latch on your refrigerator, first pull off the door trim. Next, pull the gasket back and detach the gasket retainer from the door liner. You can now use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw securing the old door latch. Install the new door latch by inserting it into the gasket retainer. Then replace the screw to secure. Place the edge of the gasket retainer behind the lip of the door frame. Tuck the retainer spring into the slot in the liner, then snap the retainer back into place. Reinstall the door trim. You're now ready to plug the power cord back in and confirm that the door closes and latches properly.